Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this light up Mufasa canvas. It's a really simple idea and you can actually make different characters and everything depending on what you like, but I just like this idea. So I just took a canvas and I'm just painting the background. You want to like a sky background. I'm just using watercolours. You can use acrylics or pens or whatever you like, and then you need to actually draw the outline of Mufasa on there. I know the background of this looks really rubbish, but actually is a lot more varied in colour actually in person, but for some reason it just come up washy blue. So draw the outline of Mufasa in pencil. Then you want to go over that in a white gel pen, and this is going to create like the kind of ghostly cloud Mufasa. Then you're going to go over it again, this time in some white chalk. So this is basically to make the lines a bit softer and kind of more cloudy like, so it's not like a harsh line. And you want to basically rub your finger over afterwards to spread it all out to give it like a softer look, so it looks like he's actually kind of glowing kind of ish. That's the only way I can describe it. So once you've done him, lay the chalk on the side and then just start doing the cloud section. He's always surrounded by clouds and things, and when he turns up in The Lion King after he's died. So I'm just gonna really roughly just do circles with the chalk, and then I'm gonna go over and smudge that in as well, but I'm not gonna go overly mad with this. I'm only gonna smudge it lightly so there's still some swirls in it that you can see, so it's not like super smudged out like I did for the outline of Mufasa, so it kind of looks cloudy still. And at the bottom I also wrote "remember who you are." That's optional. It probably would have looked better if I hadn't done it, but I added it anyway. Then I'm going to get a big needle and I'm basically going to pop holes all the way around wherever there's an outline for Mufasa. So over his shoulder, down his legs, in his face. Basically gonna go over wherever the outline is and stick pinholes in it. And this is where the light's gonna come through from the back. And for the lights, I'm just got these micro lights. I picked them up from Poundland, so only £1, and there's like 20 lights on there. I'm just gonna get a hot glue gun and glue these to the back of the frame. You can go around the outside of it, or you can like glue them from one edge to the other on the back to create like a zigzag pattern going down it. It's up to you, depending on where exactly you want the lights. I've done like kind of both, done a few around the top, then went to a zigzag pattern. So just add a little bit of glue, hold the light in place, and do that for obviously however many lights you've got, depending on the pack you have. Because I know in Poundland now it's very rare to find the 20 light ones. They're now mostly 15, but at the moment the summer ones have 20 lights, so I'm going to pick up a few more of those. And then this is what it looks like when you're done. It's finished. That's all you have to do. Also, I've seen like Little Mermaid versions of these and things, but I thought I'd try Mufasa one, as the new Lion King is going to come out very soon. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you tried it, and thanks for watching. Bye!